So we're back. Yeah,
We're back.
We're gonna teach you how to make slime out of what?
Body wash?
Yeah. Yeah. And what else?
Lotion.
Oh. Okay. So this is her recipe that she made.
Yeah. Okay, anyways.
So what we're going to be using, is this good? No lotion? No lotion do we need to use?
We don't use lotion.
You say?
We use this.
Oh, body wash?
Yeah.
And then the doctor. Oh wait,
The doctor.
we better say, but so what we're using is you just need some like shower gel, any type of shower gel will do. And then we also need Dr. What's it called?
Dr. Teal's.
Dr. Teal's Kids. So this is the activator.
No, that's not the
Okay.
So you have to put a lot of that.
That's gonna take forever. Okay. Just gonna we need a lot of this. This is basically how much slime, I think. Yeah, how much slime you want. Because that's the activator.
This
Okay,
smells
that's good.
really good.
Yes, yeah, it smells good.
Okay.
It's like lavender.
Now?
Okay, then you're gonna be using your Dr. Teal's. You could do that. You have to mix it though.
No, you get rid of all the bubbles.
Okay, so yeah. When you mix it, it gets rid of all the bubbles. Okay, you just want to mix it for like 20 seconds.
Yeah, 20 seconds. That's what I do in the bathroom. I'm bored.
Yeah, just mix up. Okay. Oh, that sound was so bad. Okay.
Easy.
Now we use the Dr.
Teal's.
Okay, Dr.
Kids.
Teal's Kids. Wait, you have to. Here, let me like.
This is how much you need to put. Okay, that should be good.
Okay.
Give me the stick.
I shall give you the stick.
Thanks.
Wait, we have to show you in screen there.
Okay, so
You can't see my face, but.
and it's supposed to get really thick, like
Hopefully.
yeah, it does. Here, you can mix it, and then I'll just pour it in.
We could talk on why we haven't been posting.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
So the reason why we haven't been posting a lot is because we haven't really like had a whole bunch of play dates and sleepovers.
Fourth grade's hard.
Yeah, like we all have like our own friends and stuff. Like we're so friendly with each other, but it's like if we don't talk
Fourth grade's hard.
If we don't like talk to our friends during like lunch and stuff, they're all like, "How dare you leave us?"
Yeah.
So we basically just do that.
Is it working?
See, it's already getting thick. Oh, it's really... So we're just gonna keep on mixing. Do we need to put it in the fridge?
Yeah.
Okay. So see, it's already getting thick.
I mean, if you guys like want to put it in the fridge, it would probably make it better.
But if you don't want to put it in the fridge,
this is how it's like. But I feel like if we put it in the fridge, it would be better.
Yeah. So anyway, this is like
Already
how
slime.
it's turning. Like
Oh.
clip.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Anyways.
Anyway, that was kind of. Oh, it's on my pants. Okay. So anyway, it should be getting nice and thick. You know, could you maybe take the camera and do some close-ups on
Yes.
this? What's happening? What's happening? We'll see what's popping. Please don't spill. What's popping? Nice and juicy McDucey, as you can see. Oh. Anyway, and what you're gonna do is how long can you put it in the fridge?
You can put it in the fridge for like 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay, so we're gonna go do that then.
Yeah.
So you go put it in the fridge. We'll be right back.
Got it out of the fridge, and it was a really.
It actually was only like it's been 9 minutes. Or no, the timer says there's 9 minutes left. Was it working?
It's really cold.
Here, let me see.
It's been 11 minutes.
Okay. It's actually kind of sticky.
It's actually really nice.
Can you take it so you can like show them? I'll do some like. Oh yeah, look at your dirty fingers. Anyway, that's it. So that's your tutorial.
And you can pick it up too.
Wow.
We need some more subscribers so we can actually put merch.
No, we need subscribers so we can buy products. Anyway, we should make the borax slime.
Actually, this feels nice.
Okay, bye, and see you later.